Welcome back to MarineMax, Georgia. My name is Quinn, and today we're going to be walking through our Aviara 36. This is going to be, as the name suggests, a 36-foot boat. It will have a 10-foot 10 beam, so it's going to have a lot of space. Here in the back, you're going to have wonderful seating arrangements. You have some bar stools that can pop up, a second tier right below me of backrest. You have the swim platform, and then up underneath the swim platform, you have a hydraulic one as well. So a bunch of different areas back here to hang out, entertain, and have fun while you're at anchor. So we move into the boat. Aviara has solved one of the biggest problems on board of where to put your fenders. They've got a nice organizer system up underneath your walk-through. Makes it very easy when it comes time to dock or put them out. You just have easy access right over the side. And then when you bring them in, if there's a little bit of moisture on it, it does just drain straight into the bilge. We walk in, you're going to have seating to port and entertainment to starboard. Wonderful deep seats. Also some nice storage underneath. You'll have cup holders galore, wireless chargers, and some USB ports. Over here, we will have two nice mirror backs. We just have to pull them off. We like to let the customers do that. You'll have your grill here, and then up underneath you will have your fridge, the little ice box up top, wonderful storage compartment. Aviara, I love the fact that they include a nice little drawer for your cooler. It makes it a breeze to put it in and bring all of your drinks and food on board. Up here at the helm, they've also done a great job with keeping it simple and super elegant. You'll have the first screen that controls all of your diagnostic features and also controls the boat. So all of your lighting, your rear sheer shade, all of that's going to be controlled through your first screen. Your second one is a giant SIMRAD that will give you all of your chart and mapping. And then last but not least is your screen that will show your engines. Very nice touch panel, and then you still have the actual switches for your engine start stop. You'll have an Ilmor powered boat, so you will have the Ilmor joystick as well, which is one of my favorites to pilot. We do have a nice cabin down below on board, so you're going to have area for a couple people to get out of the inclement weather. You'll have a TV down there, a microwave, and then you'll also have a nice day head. My favorite feature of the Aviaras is definitely the bow. So as you can see, it's very deep gunnels on this boat. So as you walk through, if it is rougher day out or you do have some kids, they're going to be well below the gunnels. So you can use this while you're underway. And even when you're up here, the seats are so recessed that you can sit up here, enjoy the day, and even enjoy it while underway. You're going to have more cup holders up front. You're going to have USB and lightning ports, windlass anchor system, and a ton of other amenities. I'd love to show you this boat, so give me a call today and set up your appointment to come see it in person.